Where does the giraffe, or where does the zebra go? Down there? Where does the zebra go? That's right! Good job! And where does the lion go? Down here? Rawr! Rawr! Can you open it up? Can you open it up? Right, that's where the lion goes. Daddy! That's where the lion goes. Good job! And where does the koala go?
Daddy?
Up in the tree?
Daddy?
Good! Good job!
Daddy?
Is that the zebra? Good job.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy?